Hey there. Curious about investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies? SoFi Invest lets you buy and sell major cryptos right alongside your stocks and ETFs, all in one app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to start. First, you need an active SoFi Invest account. In the SoFi app, tap on Invest, then Crypto. You'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Select one, tap Trade, and choose whether to buy or sell. You can invest with any dollar amount. SoFi supports fractional crypto purchases. Your crypto is held in a custodial account with SoFi Digital Assets, LLC. My crucial pro tip? Start small and consider it a speculative portion of your portfolio. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile. Only invest money you can afford to lose, and treat it as a learning experience or a small, non-core part of a diversified investment strategy. That's your straightforward on-ramp to exploring the world of digital assets. Are you interested in crypto for long-term holding, trading, or just to learn? Share your perspective below. For more guides on emerging investments, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.